Stormsure Contact Adhesive is a fast-acting glue that's a great way to make quick patch repairs to waterproof clothing in under 20 minutes. This jacket has been ripped on the sleeve by barbed wire. First, apply a TUFF Tape patch to the outside of the jacket. Any tape can do, but you want to make sure it won't leave residue when it's removed in a few minutes. Make sure the two sides of the rip are lined up neatly and stick the tape over the top. Now, turn the jacket inside out and make sure it's lying flat. Add a layer of Stormsure Contact Adhesive to your patch. You can use any scrap fabric for this patch, as it will be on the inside of the coat, so you won't see it. This repair is using an old piece of cordura to make sure it's extra strong. Spread the glue around with a small spatula or wooden stick. You don't need to be super precise, but try to get the glue covering the whole patch. Now cover the rip with adhesive, trying to match the shape and size of the patch. Spread this around with the spatula again. Leave the adhesive for 1 to 2 minutes, just to let the adhesive slightly absorb into the fabric. Now add a second layer of adhesive to both the patch and the coat. Without this second layer, the bond will be much less strong, so it's very important. Leave this for 15 minutes. Once 15 minutes have passed, take the patch and stick it over the rip. Line it up, then apply even pressure to the patch for 10 to 15 seconds. Check none of the edges are peeling up. If any are, just put some more adhesive on and let it cure for another few minutes. Once everything is stuck down, make the jacket the right way round and remove the external patch. Test your repair, then get back out hiking.